Election Commission of India gi pautak amagi matung inna state asida paikhatliwa Lok Sabha Mikhalga Mari Lainana Hausi Paikhatliwa Thawak Thauram Singh Ngarang Commission Asigi Senior Deputy Election Commissioner Nitesh Vyas, Deputy Election Commissioner R.K. Gupta, Director Dipali Masirkar, Secretary Madhusudan Gupta Amadi Under Secretary Dipmala Imphal da laktuna yengsilamkhre. Commission gi mihut kangbu aduda State asina paikhatliba sem sariba thabak singi matangda Chief Electoral Officer oiriba Pradeep Kumar Zahana paudamki mihut kangbu aduna State asigi Chief Secretary DSP State Government ke Senior Officer singasu warisana baga loinana Chief Secretary gi maikaidagi lakadoriba mikhal asibu niyam chumna pangthoknaba hotnari haiba wafam thamki. Makhatana Election Commission gi mihut kangbu aduna Enforcement Agency Singh Haibadi, State Police, Assam Rifle, Airport Authority, Civil Aviation, State Level Bankers Committees, SBIS and Custom Excise, VCAS, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, Enforcement Directorate, Taxation, Forest Income Tax, Narcotics, Control Bureau, CISF, Postal Department Amadi, RVI gi thabak tharam singsu yengsinki. Commission na Enforcement Agency sing asida mikhal ningthina pangthokpa ngamnaba sel yenba mayai kaba chinjak sing sizinaba amadi puthok pusin tauba singi mathakta akanba mityeng changnaba pautak piki. Masigi mathakta Senior District Election Officer oiriba singna District Election Officer sing amadi SP singda mikhal ningthina asoi angam yaudana pangthokpa ngamnaba pautak sing su piki. Election Commission ki mihut kangbu aduna Imphal West amadi Kangpokpik District tasu paikhatliba mikhal gi sem sariba sing adu gi matang dasu chatuna yengsinki.